Once upon a time, in a quaint little village, there lived a kind and humble man named Samuel. Samuel was known far and wide for his generosity and selflessness. He had a heart that was always eager to help those in need, and he never expected anything in return. Every day, he went out of his way to make the world a better place, and he had a reputation as the generous stranger. One sunny morning, as Samuel strolled through the village square, he noticed a group of children huddled around a fruit vendor's cart. The vendor was selling the most delectable fruits, and the children's eyes sparkled with longing, but none of them could afford to buy any. Without a second thought, Samuel approached the vendor and purchased a basket of the juiciest fruits he could find. He handed the basket to the children, who couldn't believe their luck. With smiles and gratitude, they enjoyed the sweet fruits, cherishing each bite as if it were a precious gem. As word of Samuel's kindness spread, the village held him in even higher regard. He became a source of inspiration for everyone, young and old, and his simple acts of generosity started a ripple effect throughout the village. One day, as Samuel was passing by a struggling farmer's field, he noticed the man toiling away in the hot sun. The farmer's crops were wilting, and he looked exhausted. Samuel approached him and asked, "Is there anything I can do to help you?" The farmer, astonished by Samuel's kindness, explained his plight. He was struggling to water his crops, as his old well had dried up, and he couldn't afford to dig a new one. Without hesitation, Samuel decided to fund the digging of a new well for the farmer, ensuring he had a source of water to save his crops. In no time, the village rallied behind Samuel's initiative, and together, they raised enough money to provide the farmer with a brand new well. This act of kindness not only saved the farmer's livelihood, but also strengthened the bonds among the villagers. As the seasons changed, the village flourished. Acts of generosity became a way of life for its residents. The village transformed into a place where everyone looked out for one another, where no one went hungry or without help in their time of need. The moral of this story is that one person's generosity can spark a community's unity and create a better world. Samuel, the generous stranger, proved that kindness is limitless, and a single selfless act can initiate positive change.